Many people don't realize that we have voice recognition tutorials built right into the head units of our Entune 2.5 and Entune 3.0 audio units. To access these, simply select Menu, Setup, Voice, and then Voice Recognition Tutorial. This is a selection of the various topics that you can find help with and tutorials on. So a lot of the voice recognition features. For an example, let's select Find Points of Interest.
To search for a point of interest in your area, say things like find a restaurant, find gas stations, or find Japanese restaurants. You can also use this method to find well-known national brands. You can indicate what area you would like to search. For example, say something like find a nearby park or find a coffee shop near my destination. When you are connected to the internet, you can ask for a specific business by name. For example, if you are looking for a place called Joe's Coffee, just say something like find Joe's Coffee.
Using these tutorials can really help our customers make the most of their voice recognition systems on Toyota's audio systems. Thanks for listening.